Okay, this is Weather Outlook, and this is your update from July 28th to August 2nd for Western Pennsylvania. Okay, now this is Sunday. We have a few thunderstorms, some heavy downpours coming through the state this afternoon. A lot of heavy action just south of Pennsylvania, but you can see there are still some along Route 80 that are dropping down. This is around 5 in the afternoon. Here's 6, here's 7, 8, and then they go away overnight, and then they kind of clear out. Um, we're going to have a few days that are very hot coming up before that cold temperatures below normal sneak back in again. Now, this is your temperatures in the morning, tomorrow morning. Temperatures basically mid 60s, a little comfortable, a little better than they have, but the humidity is still there. And as you'll see here, as we get into the afternoon hours, temperatures near Pittsburgh get into the 90s. Elsewhere, basically, except for the higher elevations, you're in the mid to upper 80s tomorrow. Now, this is Tuesday, pretty much a couple of degrees warmer overall. Temperatures upper 80s, 90s, more towards Pittsburgh. It's really warmed up. It's a very hot, humid day. I'm not showing you any maps to show you rain because at most a scattered shower. Now, Wednesday basically is the transition begins. You look down south, you can see upper 80s to 90s. You look up towards Erie, towards Buffalo, up that way, you can see temperatures are in the 70s. This is around 1 o'clock in the afternoon on Wednesday, and you can see that cooler air move down real quick. This is around 4 in the afternoon. You can see still 90s down here, but you can see this cooler air is moving in from the north. It has some showers attached to it as it comes through. And then this takes you to around 8 o'clock in the evening, and you can see the fronts come through, temperatures upper 60s towards Bradford. Still Pittsburgh is around 80, but it's dropping, and it will continue to drop overnight. And then as we get into Thursday, some showers are going to come down as another front comes through with colder air. This is around 10 in the morning, and you can look up towards Bradford. It's 57. Still, the southern areas south of, let's say, 80 or so is the Turnpike and all. Still, temperatures are in the mid 70s, but that's 10 o'clock in the morning, and these showers work their way south. Temperatures drop as they come through. Again, this is now around 4 in the afternoon. You can see temperatures for the most part are in the 60s. Where the rain has come through, it clears a little bit. Temperatures climb to the low 70s. Pittsburgh, you're around 74. And as this front moves south, and you're going to start to feel the effects of the cooler air as we get into Friday. Here's Friday. Temperatures 40s to the north, 50s and low 60s to the south. And some of the models actually show it colder than that. And then as we go into Friday, you can see this is Friday during the day. Right here, temperatures basically 70s, no more 90s. And then this is Saturday morning, I'm sorry. And now the cold air is really settled in. Temperatures upper 40s to 50s across the area. That's a pretty chilly morning for August. And then on Saturday during the day, it tries to warm up a little bit. But again, it's this basically 70s across the viewing area. We're probably in for about 10 days of cold temperatures, chilly temperatures. And I'm saying cold temperatures in the 70s. But when you've been in the upper 90s, deluges of rain in the 70s and 60s and 50s, they're cold. All right, everybody take care and be safe.